Hey folks, so I'm outside, ready to do my soil analysis. Remember, I just need like something similar to a spoon or something with a little bit more length. I got this lint roller, and for this purpose, you need something kind of sort of like a shovel that'll do the same job, and then a bowl, right? I'm not gonna stay out here and do mine. I'm gonna take my soil and work inside. I would suggest you stay outside just because one, I don't want you getting your apartment or your house a mess, but two, if you need to collect another sample for whatever reason, you are out here already and you can do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start collecting the sample of soil. So let's see if I can set this up so you can see me. I am not sure if this is gonna work. Let's see. Okay, you're still seeing my face. Alright, hopefully you can see this. So all I'm gonna do is try to get 2 to 3 inches into the ground. I'm gonna move the sticks and the leaves. This soil is really tough. It's really hard. Okay. So the spoon is definitely working. I'm just gonna try to, I want to collect a decent amount. This does any. Nope, the soil here is too hard to even get this thing to go down, right? So I'm just gonna keep on digging with my spoon. And again, once you're like 2 inches under, that should be a good spot to start grabbing some soil and putting it in your bucket. Alright, so I'm gonna take my soil. Oh, perfect. Okay, hopefully you saw that. Now, I'm gonna pause my video, folks, and then I'm gonna go back into the apartment and show you the steps. Alright, folks, I'm back inside. So I have my soil. So now we're gonna follow our directions together, okay? So, let's scroll to the start of where it says soil analysis. Keep going, keep going, keep going. We've already talked about that. Okay, so what is this soil? And I am right here. What is this soil? We are going to break it down to find out what's in it. And that's what the word characterization means, soil analysis or soil characterization. It just means we're figuring out what the soil is actually made up of. What are the particles